My first video in the Philippines. So, dumpling with soy sauce.
Homemade. So big.
Homemade to.
So big.
Yeah. Big
Kasi ano
German.
to, parang maanghang.
Oh,
There you go.
chili sauce. Chili oil.
And chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
There you go.
Tulugo.
Hindi try it.
That's the dog also here. So the pancake, is it?
Are you vlogger?
No, I'm not. I'm just first time in the Philippines.
So that are you
Maybe I should do vlog. I don't know.
don't feel like
No, okay, I won't. There's a little kid there looking through the door.
Meron ba kasi kayo? Gusto niyo yung walis.
Mabili. Ay,
This is good. Okay, you hold the camera.
how?
Well, eating.
Okay, the frustrated vlogger.
It's good. Very nice.
Masarap. You say masarap.
Marap?
Masarap.
Masarap?
Oh,
Good, very good.
masarap daw ate.
We need to give to the dog a little bit.
Okay.
Small piece. Small piece to the dog. Hey dog, you have a food for eat. Nice. How was it? You happy? Hello. I'm okay already. Yeah, I can have it. Look, they're already working.
You can go the airplane village. What is